Looking for the best synthetic engine oil in 2026? In this video, we review the top full synthetic motor oils that provide superior engine protection, improved fuel efficiency, excellent wear resistance, and long-lasting performance. Whether you drive a daily commuter, sports car, SUV, or truck, we'll compare the best options to help you choose the right oil for your vehicle. Watch until the end to see our top recommendation for 2026. Number 3. The Valvoline 4-Stroke Marine Full Synthetic Engine Oil 10 watts 30, 1 gallon, pack of 3 is a premium lubricant designed specifically for the demanding conditions of modern 4-stroke marine engines. Whether you own an outboard motor, personal watercraft, or other marine equipment, this full synthetic oil delivers reliable protection and long-lasting performance on the water. Its advanced formula provides 50% stronger wear protection, helping safeguard engines that operate under high RPMs and extreme temperatures. Marine engines are constantly exposed to moisture, making rust prevention essential. Valvoline addresses this with up to 8x better rust defense, protecting internal engine components during operation and even while the engine is stored between boating seasons. The premium full synthetic formulation also enhances engine cleanliness, reduces friction, and supports smooth, consistent performance in challenging marine environments. Engineered specifically for marine motors, it offers dependable lubrication that helps extend engine life and maintain peak efficiency. Customer reviews reinforce its excellent reputation. One buyer praised it as a high-quality, full synthetic marine oil available at a fair price, making it an outstanding value. Another highlighted the smooth-running performance of their outboard engine, noting minimal smoke and the trusted quality expected from the Valvoline brand. Overall, Valvoline 4-Stroke Marine Full Synthetic 10 watts 30 is an excellent choice for boat owners seeking superior wear protection, outstanding rust resistance, dependable performance, and the confidence of a trusted American-made motor oil brand. Number 2. The Triax Fleet Supreme 15 watts 40 API CK 4 full synthetic heavy-duty diesel engine oil, 5 gallon, is a high-performance lubricant engineered for diesel trucks and heavy-duty equipment operating under demanding conditions. Its advanced full synthetic formula is enhanced with nanoboron and moly friction modifiers, delivering exceptional wear protection, smoother engine operation, and reduced internal friction. One of the standout features of this oil is its ability to lower engine wear by up to 48% compared to industry standards, while promoting cooler operating temperatures and improving fuel economy by 4 to 6%. It also provides excellent cold start performance, remaining effective in temperatures as low as minus 45 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for year-round use in harsh climates. Designed for popular diesel pickups such as Ford PowerStroke, Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, and Dodge Ram, Triax Fleet Supreme maintains outstanding viscosity, film strength, and shear stability. Whether towing, hauling heavy loads, or driving long highway routes, it delivers reliable protection while supporting extended drain intervals of up to 100,000 miles for highway trucks and 30,000 miles for Super Duty pickups. Customer reviews highlight its real-world performance. One longtime user has trusted Triax products for over 5 years across trucks, tractors, and lawn equipment, praising their quality and American manufacturing. Another reported noticeably smoother idling, easier cold starts, and oil temperatures running 8 to 10 degrees cooler. Overall, Triax Fleet Supreme. Number 1. The Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5 watts 40 diesel engine oil, 2.5 gallon, 2-pack, is a premium choice for diesel owners seeking outstanding engine protection and long-lasting performance. Formulated with triple protection plus technology, this full synthetic oil helps reduce engine wear, resist oil breakdown, and minimize harmful deposits, even under demanding driving conditions. One of its biggest strengths is its enhanced wear protection, providing better defense than previous API CJ4 formulations. It also delivers up to 1.5% improved fuel economy compared to conventional 15 watts 40 oils, while maintaining excellent durability. The advanced dispersant additives effectively combat soot, dirt, and contaminants, helping keep the engine cleaner over extended oil change intervals. Shell Rotella T6 also performs exceptionally well in both extreme heat and cold temperatures, ensuring reliable lubrication during cold starts and heavy-duty towing. Its low-ash formulation protects modern diesel exhaust after-treatment systems, making it compatible with a wide range of diesel trucks and equipment. Customer feedback is overwhelmingly positive. One Duramax owner praised the convenient delivery and excellent value, while another reported 2 years of trouble-free performance after switching from other diesel oils. These real-world experiences reinforce the oil's reputation for reliability. Overall, Shell Rotella T6 full. Thanks for watching our Best Synthetic Engine Oils Review 2026. If this guide helped you choose the right motor oil, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and maintenance tips. Share your favorite synthetic engine oil in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.